we want to find the domain and the range of this fourth root function. This is an even root function, so we need the expression inside the root to be greater than or equal to a 0. So minus x squared plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Add minus 4 to both sides. So minus x squared plus 4 minus 4 greater than or equal to minus 4. This cancel this. Minus x squared is greater than or equal to minus 4. Multiply both sides by minus 1 and flip the inequality sign. So we are going to have x squared is less than or equal to 4. This is a quadratic inequality. We know that x squared less than or equal to 4 means minus 2 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 2. Because x squared equal to 4 when x equal to plus or minus 2, and x squared is less than 4 when x is between minus 2 and 2. So our domain is square root bracket minus 2 comma 2. Now we determine what output values function of x can take. We will analyze function of x equal to fourth root of minus x squared plus 4. Try a few values of x within the domain. Now let us pick some values within our domain. Let us start with 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 1.5 and plus or minus 2. If we insert 0 into this expression, 0 squared plus 4, we are going to have 4, and our fourth root of 4 is going to give us approximately 1.41. And if we insert plus or minus 1 into this expression, we are going to have 3, and fourth root of 3 is approximately 1.32. And also if we insert plus or minus 1.5 into this expression, we are going to have 1.75, and the fourth root of 1.75 is approximately 1.32. 15. If we insert plus or minus 2 into this expression, we are going to have a 0, and the fourth root of a 0 is equal to a 0. You can see that the maximum value of our function is when x equal to 0, and the value is 1.4. The minimum value is 0 at x equal to plus or minus 2. So our range is square root 0, which is our minimum, and our maximum is this fourth root of 4 close square bracket, or it can be written as 0, 1.41 close square bracket.